Here is a really good SAT question that contains a core concept for both the SAT and broader mathematics. They tell us that A is equal to C plus D, and then they give us this really messy expression and are essentially asking us to simplify it as much as possible. Now I've given you a big hint here in blue. This is called the binomial formula, and it tells us what happens when we square the sum of two different numbers, in this case A and B. Now, using that blue formula, can you see anything in the expression that they gave us? I can. For starters, let's factor out a negative sign from the C and the D terms. What we end up with inside the parentheses is C squared plus 2CD plus D squared. And that looks eerily familiar, right? Because it's what happens when you apply the binomial formula to C plus D. And so we can simplify this to simply x squared minus C plus D squared. But wait a minute, the question told us that C plus D was equivalent to A. And so we can take this a step further. This whole expression that started off very messy is simply x squared minus A squared. We look through A, B, C, D. None of them are that x squared minus A squared, so they want us to take it a step further. And the key here is to notice that x squared minus A squared is a difference of squares, so we can apply the difference of squares factorization, and we end up with x plus A times x minus A, which is C. A very good question with a really good key concept.